Hello and welcome. I'm Sarah, your safety trainer, here with today's lesson, reporting work-related injury and illness. Remember to sign off on your mobile device or online to receive credit for this training. If you feel the need to pause this video at any time to have a discussion, we encourage you to do so. No one expects to come to work and get hurt. Even with all the safe work practices and training available in the workplace, injuries and illnesses still happen. When an illness or injury does happen, an employee needs to report it to their supervisor immediately. If circumstances do not allow this, reporting should be done as soon as possible. This lesson will cover the types of injuries and illness that need to be reported, as well as the do's and don'ts of injury reporting. When an employee is hurt or gets sick in their line of work, no matter how minor, they should report it immediately to their supervisor or designated person under their company's policy. Examples of injuries and illness that should be reported include injuries. Any minor injury that requires a Band-Aid. This is due to the threat of cuts getting infected or any other types of exposure to bloodborne pathogens. Biological exposures such as needle sticks or any other contact made with blood or other bodily fluids. Severe lacerations or punctures that require stitches. Sprains. Broken bones. Amputations. Injuries involving hospital treatment, ambulance transport, or time away from work. And injuries resulting from the exposure to chemicals. Illness. Chemical poisoning. Temperature-related illness. Noise-induced hearing loss, also known as NIHL.
Hey everyone! If you just watched this video and are thinking, how do I get more of these videos? Click on this link or go to GotSafety.com and we'll show you how you can digitally sign and record employee training records, build custom forms, or even access your OSHA documentation. Go to GotSafety.com right now or call 1-800-734-3574 for more information.